Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove a sticker from your windshield. Now before you start doing this job, it helps you park your car like this to reach the windshield a lot easier. As you can see, there's a disgusting sticker on my windshield that is probably from the recent owner of my car, and I want to remove it because it looks terrible. So if you have a sticker on your windshield too, you will need 4 products to remove it. First of all, you will need a razor blade, and you will need a WD-40 and water in a spray can, and clean a microfiber towel. Once you have all these products, you can start removing the sticker. Just in case, I will put links in the descriptions for these tools so you can find them easily. Now once you have all these products, what you need to do is you apply WD-40 or WD-40 on this sticker and wait a couple of minutes. It will soften the glue in the sticker. Now use some water on the sticker and start scratching the sticker with your razor blade slowly. You always want to go parallel with the windshield because you don't want to scratch the windshield with the razor blade. So you go parallel with the windshield and just focus on the sticker area. Make sure you spray water every 30 seconds or so. Once you start scratching, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes to a sticker to remove. As you can see, I could easily remove this small sticker on my windshield, so I can do it as well. As you can see, the sticker comes loose easily, so I could remove it. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I will try to answer them. Make sure to subscribe my brand new channel, which is NS Explain. I hope I see you in the next video.